Another beautiful day here in South Florida. Today, I was taking my friends Oscar and Jenny out to South Beach for a nice afternoon ride. This was Oscar's first time flying in a small airplane, and he was excited. Oscar was having an amazing time, and that made me happy. His expression was priceless when I asked him to help me with the controls. He absolutely loved it. The weather was beautiful now, but an hour ago there were thunderstorms everywhere. Typical South Florida. But all of the thunderstorms had moved out and everything was beautiful. Jenny was also enjoying the flight. She was having a ball in the back. And this made me feel good. Their smiles and laughter was very infectious, and it made me so happy that I was able to give them this experience. You can see in the distance the remains of the thunderstorm that was here earlier. It was as if God had cleared out all of South Florida, all of Miami, so that we can have a beautiful flight today. This was amazing. Everything was so beautiful, and I was having a great time flying with these guys. It was kind of sad having to go back to the airport, but it was time to go back. I had a blast flying with these guys.
Awesome.
The best. The best.
Yeah, we had a good time. That was nice.